Hi there, my name is Mary Kate Hansford and I'm the Academic Administrator for RUI University. We're continuing our series on tips and tricks to keep our brain healthy and strong. This week's tip, disrupt your routine and try something new. Our brains are incredibly complex and always changing. And when we disrupt our routine, we challenge our brains to create new pathways and connections. This concept is called neuroplasticity. The best way that I can explain neuroplasticity is with a story. So my mom, for a vacation, decided that she was going to take my family to a cabin in the woods without Wi-Fi. And so we're all just sitting there kind of staring at each other saying, what do we do next? Now my mom's an avid knitter. She's been doing this for years. She can sit there and have a conversation and just knit away. So I thought, there's no Wi-Fi, let's learn how to knit. So unlike my mom, who's been knitting for years, I kind of had to sit in the corner and knit one, purl one. My brain just didn't know what it was doing because this was something that was brand new to me. Now, by the end of the week, I was able to have more of a conversation. I was faster, I was better at knitting, and this is because I was creating a new pathway in my brain and keeping my brain healthy and strong. So what's the new skill you're gonna try? Comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear from you.